Hi guys, this is Eunice and I'm with Shore Urban Medicine and this is Herbal Knowledge Time. Today we're going to talk about a well-known herb which is comfrey. Comfrey is a plant that is used for medicine. Comfrey is used a lot for the digestive system, for stomach, ulcers, diarrhea. It also aids if you have aid you if you have blood in your urine. It also aids you in joint pain, inflammation, and things like that. Comfrey is also great for bronchitis, persistent coughs, and things like that. Now, we do have comfrey on our website in one formulation that is herbal capsule. You can formulate comfrey into a tonic, or you can also formulate comfrey into a salve. Comfrey is also great for the skin, for wounds, skin cancers, and things like that. Again, it is also great for joint pain and inflammation. So, basically, if you have joint pain and inflammation, it will probably be recommended to you that you also take comfrey orally with capsules or tonic, and then also use the salve or whatever you have on the joints and things like that, so that it can double help you, give you a better benefit and things like that. So it can help get rid of the inflammation, the joint pain from the inside, as well as help you to heal on the outside as well. So comfort is like I said, well known, and it has been used for centuries and centuries and centuries now. And if you do look at other herbal herbalists YouTubes and so forth, you will see that they do talk a lot about comfrey. I do check out a couple of the herbalists YouTubes and so forth, who are a favorite of mine and so forth, and they also discuss a lot about comfrey. So comfrey is, like I said, pretty much well known, and it has been used for centuries and things like that. So it's great to have that knowledge. If you have that symptoms or any of those symptoms, if you know someone who you can help them. And things like that. So anytime someone gives you some information, it's gonna give you better health and some things like that. If you know someone that can benefit from that, then it would be great if you just pass that information on. Also, too, whenever I recommend herbal medicine to you, I also recommend you seek a herbalist or healthcare provider, because herbalist or healthcare provider is going to help you with any other traditional medicine that you have and so forth, to see if that's going to conflict with your traditional medicine and things like that. So that's one good reason to check with a herbalist or healthcare provider, is to make sure that whatever you are thinking or wanting to try out in the herbal medicine is that it's not going to conflict with your traditional medicine. So let's go ahead and recap again how great this herb is and so forth. It is comfrey, and the health benefit is it helps the digestive system, it helps the stomach, ulcers, helps you with diarrhea. It aids you if you have blood in your urine. It also helps you with joint pain, inflammation. It also aids you with cancer and so forth as well. And you can use comfrey again as a salve. You can formulate it in a couple ways. You can formulate it as a tonic, and you can also formulate it as a salve. When you're using comfrey as a salve and so forth, rubbing it on wounds or skin disease, skin cancer, and things like that, it will help aid that, and so far it is good for that. So those are the three ways you can use comfrey: is herbal capsule, herbal tonic, or herbal salve. So, and each way is going to help give you a health benefit and things like that. So, comfrey is just one of those herbs and so forth. It, again, is well known. Check out some of the other herbalists on websites as well. And, to get even more information, do your research on Comfrey or any of the medicine that I'm talking about, they're talking about, or anything. Do some of your research yourself on that and so forth. And, start to live a wellness or better life and so forth. Because the more you do and the more you protect yourself, and things like that, the better off you're going to be. Knowledge is key. Knowledge is key. We do have some medical books on our website on Show Urban Medicine and so far, and and we're putting them there to help give you more knowledge on medical issues and things like that, so that you can have a better conversation with your doctor, and things like that. So the more you read up on and the more you know, the better that you're going to be able to help in your own health care and things like that. So I'm glad to be able to bring you this herbal knowledge on this Wednesday. I will be back on next Wednesday with another herbal knowledge. And sometimes, like Comfrey, I would readdress a herb, that you may know or you may not know, and so far and everything. But just to reiterate the information and to give you, information and to help plant that bug in your head to do some more research on Comfrey or any other herbal medicine that I speak of or speak on, and so forth, to help you live a wellness life. But this is Eunice, and I thank you for joining me, and I will see you next Wednesday for another herbal knowledge. Bye.